Hi everyone, I'm David. I'm here with Simpleway and we are at InfoComm 2026 in Vegas. And today I would like to tell you more about our Controlnode, which is our control device that works in the QSys ecosystem. And you would simply download our plugin at nnounce.com. And as you can see, we have 3-button faceplate and we also have rotary encoder faceplate. And the way this works is that you would basically put them in your design. You would select the action you want to perform with this, and that it does all the magic. So you can use this one for volume control, for zone selection. You can open the door with it. You can shut the lights off. This guy we are now using more for like a volume control, but if you have any other use case, you could use these controls for the Controlnode is the device for you. The way it works in the background, as you can see, this is a sort of like a 2-gang box with 2 faceplates. You can either have 1 or you can daisy chain up to 4 faceplates. And you would need 1 main board and 3, 4, or how many faceplates you would like. You would just daisy chain them together with a ribbon cable and you're good to go. So if you would like to know more, visit us at nnounce.com.